Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Vivo Y29 5G smartphone, and in this video we are going to do a quick unboxing. You will see what comes with the smartphone. We will do a offline setup, a camera test and a speed test as well. So if you're planning to purchase this phone, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. So this was the quick unboxing, camera test and setup video for Vivo Y29 5G smartphone. So this phone comes with a flexible back cover, 44 watts of flash charger, a USB cable, SIM ejector, and that's it. The front camera is of 50 megapixel for portrait images and the back camera is also 50 megapixel. It has dual or stereo speakers and Type-C charger. As you can see, this comes with an 3.3mm headphone jack as well, so you can connect your earphones or headphones easily now. So overall this phone is pretty decent, and you can also prefer it if you are planning to purchase a phone under 20,000. So if you like this video, then let us know in the comment section and hit that like button. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.